The right drawing tablet changes everything: the feel of every stroke, the accuracy of every line, and the hours you spend creating rather than fighting your tools. In 2026, the options span from a $599 pen display with 16,000 levels of pressure to the most powerful iPad ever made. 5 picks across every use case and budget. Links to all 5 are in the description. Let's get into it. The iPad Pro M5 is the most complete creative tablet available from any manufacturer. The 11.1-inch tandem OLED Ultra Retina XDR display, 2 OLED layers stacked, solves the traditional OLED brightness trade-off entirely, delivering 1000 nits of sustained SDR brightness and up to 1600 nits peak HDR alongside the deep blacks and perfect contrast that only OLED provides. At 264 ppi, the canvas is sharp, and colors are accurate enough for professional color. Critical work straight out of the box. The M5 chip handles Procreate, Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, and even Final Cut Pro without hesitation. Layers, high-resolution brushes, and heavy effects stack up without any sluggishness. The Apple Pencil Pro, sold separately, adds barrel roll, haptic feedback, a squeeze shortcut, and hover functionality for color preview before touching the canvas. The combination of the tandem OLED display, the Pencil Pro's precision, and iPad OS 26's windowed multitasking creates a drawing experience that no other tablet can replicate. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. Subscribe to TechBeat. We drop the best creative tech reviews every single day. The iPad Air M4 is the drawing tablet that most artists should actually buy. The M4 chip delivers 30% more performance than the M3 Air and is completely sufficient for Procreate, Clip Studio Paint, and every major drawing app available on iPad's OS. With the same layer capacity and brush responsiveness that the Pro delivers in everyday illustration work. The 11-inch Liquid Retina display at 2360 by 1640 with True Tone and P3 wide color covers the full color space that professional digital art demands. 12 gigabytes of RAM is generous for the price. Apple Pencil Pro compatibility unlocks barrel roll, haptic feedback, and hover, the same advanced stylus features as the iPad Pro. What the Air trades away is the OLED display. The LCD panel is bright and color accurate, but lacks the contrast depth and black levels of the Pro's tandem OLED. In practical illustration, that difference is most apparent in very dark scenes and HDR work. For character design, illustration, concept art, storyboarding, and most professional workflows, the Air's Liquid Retina display is entirely sufficient. That is link 2 in the description. Tap it now. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is the only Android tablet that competes seriously with the iPad Pro for professional digital art. The 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display at 2960 by 1848 with a 120 Hz refresh rate is the largest screen on any drawing tablet on this list. An enormous canvas for detailed illustration, storyboarding, and concept work. The anti-reflective coating reduces glare by 80% compared to the previous generation, making studio conditions under bright lighting noticeably more manageable. The S Pen is included in the box at no extra cost, delivering 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition with virtually no perceptible latency in Samsung's optimized apps. The MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus with 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM handles complex layered work confidently. Galaxy AI adds sketch-to-image functionality, draw a rough shape, and the AI generates a refined version in multiple styles, alongside AI-powered note enhancement and Galaxy AI integration throughout the Creative Suite. Dex Mode transforms the tablet into a desktop-style workspace for artists who work across multiple reference windows simultaneously. That is link 3 in the description. Tap it now. The Wacom Intuos Pro Medium 2025 is the professional screenless drawing tablet, the tool that illustrators, photo editors, character artists, and 3D sculptors who work on a desktop or laptop have trusted for years. The complete redesign moves the express keys from the side to the top of the tablet, shrinking the physical footprint while increasing the active drawing area, a 41% compared to the 2017 model. The 263 by 148 millimeter surface now sits at a native 16:9 ratio. The Pro Pen 3 delivers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity with tilt recognition, virtually no latency, and is fully customizable with different grip configurations, button placements, and adjustable weights for different drawing styles. 2 mechanical analog dials, replacing the old touch ring, handle brush size, zoom, scroll, and any other function you map to them with satisfying physical feedback. The tablet is just 4 millimeters at its thinnest point, with a magnesium construction that feels genuinely premium. Bluetooth wireless connectivity removes the cable entirely. That is link 4 in the description. Tap it now. The XP Pen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 is the pen display that made professionals stop and reconsider what budget drawing hardware is capable of. The 16-inch fully laminated display at 2560 by 1600 resolution with a 16:10 aspect ratio delivers 99% sRGB, 97% Adobe RGB, and 99% DCI P3 color coverage with a paper-like etched glass surface that reduces parallax and makes stylus-to-line contact feel more tactile and natural. The X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus delivers 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, a new standard for the industry, with just 3 grams of initial activation force and a 60-degree tilt range. At $599, it undercuts the Wacom and Huion 16 significantly while matching or exceeding it on display quality and stylus sensitivity. The wireless X remote control shortcut remote is included in the box, replacing the on-tablet quick keys of the previous generation, and handles brush size, undo, zoom, and custom shortcuts without interrupting the drawing surface. Setup requires a driver download from XP Pen's website and takes under 10 minutes. Subscribe to TechBee right now. We cover the best creative tech and drawing tools every single day, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. From the most powerful iPad ever made to the industry standard screenless pen tablet and the most capable budget pen display available, every type of digital artist has a right answer on this list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check them out. I will catch you in the next one.